Hi, welcome back to the AI for All channel, where we demystify AI and make AI accessible for everyone. This is the part 2 of our Getting Started with ChatGPT series. In the previous video, we went through the 5 high-level steps on how to get the most out of your interactions with ChatGPT. If you have not watched that, you can refer to the link in the description below. In this video, we will be zooming into the first step. Understand what's ChatGPT, its capabilities, as well as limitations. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of any tool is crucial to harnessing its full potential, and ChatGPT is no exception. Let's dive right in and uncover the magic behind this revolutionary AI tool. The tech world is abuzz, and ChatGPT is at the heart of it. But what exactly is ChatGPT, and why has it captured the attention of so many? Think back to the birth of the internet. It democratized information, breaking down barriers and making knowledge accessible to all. Then came search engines, further refining our ability to sift through this vast ocean of data. They democratized discovery, allowing us to find almost anything with a few keystrokes. Now, imagine having the entire internet at your fingertips, ready to answer any question you pose. Sounds like a dream, right? In many ways, we've had this power for years, thanks to search engines. But over time, commercial interests have muddied the waters. Advertisers have gamed the system, making it harder to find genuine, unbiased information. And even when you find what you're looking for, you're often met with a barrage of links, each requiring further exploration. Enter ChatGPT. It takes the concept of search to the next level. No longer do you communicate through keywords. With ChatGPT, you just ask away. It understands natural language, providing direct, concise answers to your queries. The conversation doesn't stop there. You can delve deeper, refining your questions until you get the precise information you seek. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI and launched in November 2022, has become a household name in a short span of time. Within just 5 days of its launch, it amassed 1 million users. By January 2023, this number had surged to a staggering 100 million active users. The ChatGPT website currently receives an estimated 1.6 billion monthly website visitors, an increase of around 1 billion from January 2023. Before diving deeper into ChatGPT, it's essential to understand the broader landscape of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has come a long way since its conceptual inception in the 1950s. The 1960s and 70s saw the development of the first AI programs capable of problem-solving and learning. Fast forward to the 2010s, and we witnessed the rise of machine learning and neural networks, setting the stage for more advanced AI applications. The biggest breakthroughs that led to ChatGPT's mass adoption are multifaceted. The first is transformer architecture. One of the key challenges hampering AI's usability was its difficulty in understanding lengthy sentences and their context. Prior to the transformer architecture, AI struggled to grasp the meaning of words within a sentence's broader context, similar to listening to one word at a time in a conversation. The transformer architecture transformed this by enabling AI to process whole sentences at once, like seeing the entire puzzle instead of just a piece. This breakthrough greatly enhanced AI's intelligence, speed, and efficiency. The second is neural network. Often considered the brain of the operation, the neural network is the core computational unit that learns and makes decisions. It works in tandem with the transformer architecture, which serves as the nervous system, organizing this brain to make it more efficient at specific tasks. The third and the biggest one is natural language communication. Unlike traditional search engines that require specific keywords, ChatGPT understands and responds to natural language queries, making interactions as easy as talking to a human. And lastly is the capability to provide direct answers. Instead of providing a list of links that require further exploration, ChatGPT gives you direct, concise answers to your questions, saving you time and effort. Coupled with OpenAI's extensive training data and fine-tuning processes, these breakthroughs have enabled ChatGPT to provide a user experience that is leaps and bounds ahead of its predecessors. At its core, ChatGPT is a generative pre-trained transformer. Let's break that down. Generative. It can create content, be it answers to your questions, stories, or even poems. It is pre-trained. Before being released to the public, it was trained on vast amounts of text from the internet, giving it a broad base of knowledge. It is a transformer. This refers to the architecture behind the AI, allowing it to understand and generate human-like text. Generative AI is not limited to text. There are AI models capable of generating images, like DALL-E, composing music, and even creating videos. These models use similar architectures and training methods as ChatGPT, but are fine-tuned for different types of content generation. While ChatGPT was originally pure text-based, the landscape is evolving rapidly. Innovations now allow ChatGPT to not only communicate using text, but also to hear, to receive audio input, see, to analyze image input, generate images, and even run programs. But how does ChatGPT actually works? First, you type in your question. The question is then encoded into ones and zeros and feed into the language model. The model processes the inputs and generate an output, which is then decoded and presented back to you as an answer. Think of ChatGPT as a super librarian in a vast library. Imagine walking into the world's largest library, where every book ever written is stored. You're overwhelmed and don't know where to start. Enter the super librarian. Instead of you searching through countless aisles and reading through thousands of pages, you simply approach this librarian and ask your question. The super librarian doesn't just point you to a section or hand you a single book. Instead, they quickly skim through every book in the library, absorbing all the relevant information, and then craft a concise, informative answer just for you, considering the context of your question, the nuances, and even the intent behind it. That's what ChatGPT does, but digitally. Instead of books, it has vast amounts of data, and instead of physically skimming pages, it processes information using its transformer architecture and neural networks. Just like the super librarian, ChatGPT aims to provide you with the best possible answer in the shortest amount of time. To truly harness the power of ChatGPT, it's essential to understand both its capabilities and its limitations. This knowledge ensures that you're using the tool effectively and getting the most out of your interactions. ChatGPT's potential is vast, and its capabilities are continually expanding. Here are some areas where it truly shines. The first is content creation. From marketing campaigns to stories and poems, ChatGPT can generate creative content tailored to your needs. For instance, businesses are leveraging ChatGPT for generating marketing content, blog posts, and even product descriptions. The next area that ChatGPT is very good at is deep explanations. Whether it's a complex scientific concept or a historical event, ChatGPT can provide detailed insights. Educational platforms are using ChatGPT to explain intricate topics to students, making learning more interactive and engaging. ChatGPT is also a great learning companion. It can simplify tough concepts, making learning more accessible. Online courses and tutorials are integrating ChatGPT to offer real-time assistance to learners, answering their queries on the go. Another area that ChatGPT excels in is conversational AI. ChatGPT powers conversational AI applications like virtual assistants and chatbots, enhancing user experience on websites and applications. Last but not least is as a coding assistance. Developers can leverage ChatGPT for troubleshooting and coding help. It can suggest code optimizations, debug errors, and even help in designing algorithms. Innovative use cases are emerging every day, with both OpenAI and other tech giants leading the charge. The competitive landscape is also growing, with new players entering the field, inspired by ChatGPT's success. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's not without its limitations and concerns. Some of the key concerns with regards to ChatGPT include hallucinations and biasness. ChatGPT can sometimes provide information that's not entirely accurate or show biases based on its training data. For instance, it might generate responses that are factually incorrect or reflect certain stereotypes. The other area that has generated a lot of concern is with regards to ethics. The potential misuse of AI-generated content raises ethical questions. Due to the nature of the technology, it is not something that can be easily addressed. Fraudulent use of the service is also an issue. The risks of bad actors using ChatGPT for creating fraudulent services, potentially misleading users or scamming them. ChatGPT can also be used for spreading propaganda, generation of malwares, and hacking type of activities. As AI tools become more advanced, there are also concerns about their impact on employment. The fear is that as AI becomes more proficient, it might replace certain job roles, leading to unemployment in those sectors. And as with other forms of online services, data privacy is also a key concern. With tools like ChatGPT collecting vast amounts of data, there no doubt will be questions raised pertaining to user privacy. Now that we've explored the capabilities and inherent concerns surrounding ChatGPT, it's essential to consider how best to navigate this AI landscape. The first is empowerment through knowledge. Armed with an understanding of ChatGPT's potential, you can harness its power to fuel creativity, streamline learning, and enhance problem-solving. Whether you're a content creator, educator, developer, or business owner, ChatGPT offers exciting possibilities for augmenting your work. Next is vigilance and responsibility. While ChatGPT holds immense promise, It's imperative to exercise vigilance and responsibility in its use. Acknowledge that it's a tool, not an infallible oracle. Be aware of its limitations and biases, and critically evaluate the responses it generates. Third is ethical considerations. Ethical AI use is paramount. Avoid exploiting ChatGPT for fraudulent purposes, misinformation, or any activity that infringes on privacy or security. Organizations like OpenAI and other big techs are actively working to mitigate these risks, but individual responsibility remains key. Fourth is adaptation and evolution. The AI landscape is dynamic. Stay informed about updates, improvements, and safeguards in ChatGPT and similar technologies. Adapt your approach as the field evolves to continue reaping its benefits while safeguarding against its challenges. And lastly, collaborative efforts. Recognize that responsible AI use is a collective endeavor. Engage in discussions, share insights, and contribute to the ongoing dialogue on AI ethics and best practices. By working together, we can ensure that AI technologies like ChatGPT serve society positively. In essence, ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but its responsible and ethical use is in the hands of its users. By embracing its capabilities while staying vigilant and ethical, we can navigate this AI landscape with confidence and integrity. In this video, we have delved into the origins of ChatGPT and explored the reasons behind its meteoric rise. We've examined how this AI tool has fundamentally reshaped the way we access and engage with information, all through the simple use of natural language. ChatGPT unquestionably stands as a groundbreaking innovation, transcending traditional human-machine interactions by offering capabilities in content generation, providing detailed explanations, assisting with coding, and much more. However, amidst its potential, there also lurk pitfalls, such as biases, ethical quandaries, and security concerns. To successfully navigate the ever-evolving AI landscape with ChatGPT, one must equip themselves with knowledge, exercise responsible usage, adhere to ethical standards, exhibit adaptability, and engage in collaborative efforts. By harnessing the power of ChatGPT while upholding ethical principles, we can confidently and conscientiously explore the limitless possibilities within the realm of artificial intelligence. We appreciate the time you've spent delving into this comprehensive theoretical topic, and we hope you've gained valuable insights from it. Do share with us your thoughts in the comment below. In the next session, we will transition to the practical aspect of our journey. We will delve into actionable strategies and techniques to optimize your interactions with ChatGPT, helping you unlock its full potential and reap the benefits it offers. Stay tuned. If you find this video useful and insightful, please help to spread the word so that more people can benefit from it. Remember, AI won't replace you, but someone who knows AI might. Our aspiration is to help you be that someone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video.